Solve the simultaneous equations giving your answer in base 2. Now this equation you are seeing right here is in what? Base 2. So we can make that easy for us by just putting base 2 like this so that we don't forget base 2, base 2, base 2, and base 2. So we're going to call this equation 1 and we'll call this equation what? 2. So next what we're going to do, we're going to say equation 2 times what? 11. So let's go. Equation 2, I'm multiplying it by what? 11. Okay. So 11 times 10 is 110. Let me not waste time. 110x base 2. Then 11 times y will give you what? Minus 11y. We're dealing with base 2 equals 11 times 11. If you write 121 here, you are wrong. Okay. We have to solve it by what? Using binary. So 11 times 11. 1 times what you have here is 11. 1 times what you have here is also what? 11. Okay. So we're going to add this up. We bring this one down. 1 plus 1 is 2. You cannot write 2 here because we're dealing with base 2. So you simplify it. 2 going to 2 is 1. Remember was 0. So this 0, write it here. This one, take it up. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 going to 2 is what? 1. Remember what? 0. Okay. So this is what I'm going to write here. 1, 0, 0, 1 is 2. And this is what? Equation 3. So next what we're going to do, we're going to say equation 1 plus equation 3. So let's go. Equation 1 plus equation what? 3. Okay, like this. So it's going to be 11x plus what? 110x. So you come here, 11 plus 110. Okay, 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. When you simplify, you have 1 remainder 0. So drop 0 here, carry 1 up. 1 plus 1 is 2. That's 1 remainder what? 0. So here's going to be 1001 x. Of course, this is base 2. 11y plus 11y, that one is gone. Then it's going to be 1001 plus 1001. Let's go. 1001, 1001. So we're adding up. 1 plus 1 is 2. When you simplify, you have 1 remainder 0. So put 0 here, carry 1. 1 plus everything here is 1. 0. 1 plus 1 is 2. When you simplify, you have 1 remainder 1, 0. So you come here, you're going to write 1001, 0, base 2. 10010 base 2. So at this point, we're going to divide both sides by what? The coefficient of what? X, which is 1001. Divide it also by 1001. So this and this will cancel out. Then for this one, you come to your rough work here. Let's apply long division. You put what you have on top inside, 10010. Okay, 1001. All right. This will go into here. It will go one time. Okay. Now, if you look at this point and this one, they are the same. So all you need to do, this 0, put it up. If you multiply these two together, you equally have the same thing like this. When you subtract, you have 0. So I say, so therefore, x, or we can say x base 2, is the same thing, equals what? 10 base 2. This is our answer for x. So we're going to say substitute x base 2 equals what? 10 base 2 in equation what? 2. So wherever you see x base 2, you're going to put 10 base 2 here. So that will be 10 into what? 10 base 2 minus y base 2 equals what? 11 base 2. Now when you multiply this in base 2, it will give you 100. Like this, base 2 minus y base 2 equals what? 11 base 2. Let me come this way. So when you collect like terms, it's going to be 100 base 2. When this crosses the equal sign, it becomes minus 11 base 2 equals, when y crosses the equal sign, it becomes positive y base what? 2. So you come to your rough work, you write 100 minus what? 1, because we're dealing with what? In base 2. 0 minus 1, you cannot, so you borrow 1 from here, here will be left with 0. The 1 you borrowed, you call it 2, because we're dealing in base 2. So you borrow 1 again from here, you are left with 1. That one you borrowed, call it 2. So 2 minus 1, you have 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, then 0. So therefore, y base 2 will give you what? What you have here, 1 base 2. Okay? So we can say the value of x is 10 base 2, while the value of y is 1 base 2. These are our final answers.